Baguio. We came from Davao, 2 a.m. We traveled by plane. We came here by bus just to be with you. So I'm so glad to see all of you. My name is Sharon Rose Master Lorna Hieronimo, Center Head of Davao Imperial Center. Before I came here, I always told myself, I'm going to be proud. I will be presenting to you the best products of Atomy. As a bit of my background, I joined February 2023. I became sales master that month. 1 month after, we opened the Davao Imperial Center, and after 4 months, I became Diamond Master. These are my sponsors when we opened our center on the left, and on the right photo is my first time when I attend the Clark Success Academy. I was with my 2 early partners, and they are now 2 Diamond Masters. I am sponsored by no other than Sharon Rose Master, Annalisa, and Michael Gambito. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are to start now. I will be presenting to you 3 products, and as much as possible, I'd like also you to interact with me. Now, shall we begin? First product, Atomy Plasma Alpha, launched last year. Active ingredients, Ascidian Plasmalogen Oil. Ascidian is also known as C-squared. Krill oil and MCT, meaning medium chain triglyceride. Take 1 capsule a day, that's the suggested use, and proud to say this is product of Japan. So what are plasmalogens? Actually, we are not so familiar with it, but what does it do to our body and benefits to the body? Let's all watch a short video about plasmalogen. Video, please.
Plasmalogens. What is this mystery lipid? You've probably never heard of them. And you're not alone. Even most doctors barely mention them. But here's the shocking truth. Plasmalogens may be one of the most important molecules in your body. They're lipids. Fats. But not the kind you eat. These are the fats your body builds, carefully and strategically, to protect your most vital organs. Your brain. Your heart. Your lungs. Plasmalogens are found in every cell of your body because they are built into the walls of your cells. They shape how your cells respond to stress, how they generate energy, and how they age. You might be wondering how to boost your plasmalogen levels, or even the potential health-related issues when your plasmalogens levels are low.
Thank you for that
If
video.
so, click the link in the bio to learn more.
You see, plasmalogen is very important in our body, but we were never familiar with it. That is because it is only during 1924, a German scientist with his student was able to isolate and identify plasmalogen. So what does plasmalogen do to our body? All of our cells, actually we have trillions of cells in our body, they are all wrapped in plasmalogen. And because of that, we can always say that we should have a healthy level of plasmalogen in our body. So what does plasmalogen do? Let's go first to our brain or our central nervous system. We have seen in the video that it is very important on heart, on lungs, and on the brain. Why? Because these exactly are the organs of our body who are always busy, they are always like the lungs, they keep our body oxygenated, our brain, they keep our systems of the body. Actually, the brain is our operating system, not like only CPU of the computer, it is also the operating system. So our nervous system is composed of more than 30 to 40 trillion neurons. So what are these neurons made of? This neuron looks like this. The healthy neuron, they have to always communicate efficiently to each other by electrical signal, by neurotransmitters, chemistry. they have to have efficient, because our brain is the controller of our body, our memory, our learning, our emotion, a lot of things, even our systemic actions is controlled by the brain. So we're gonna do a little bit of experiment today. Let's see how fast your brain works, okay? Get a partner beside you, and then later on you will interact with your partner. But first of all, raise your right hand. Please, everybody raise your right hand and touch your forehead. Okay, now face your partner. Don't touch his forehead, but attempt to touch. One of you touch. Touch. Very quickly. What happened? What happened? Did the eyes blink or not? Try again. Touch. Blink or not? Okay. There is actually what we call a brain-eye pathway. That's how fast our brain works. 1 second divided into 1,000, that's milliseconds. That's how fast our brain works. We did not blink when we touch our own because we know it's our own forehead. But when we touch someone, the eyes is actually trying to protect the cornea. That's why we blink. No, the brain tells us to protect our eyes. So that's how fast the neuron works. Also, the neuron actually, they have to communicate with each other. There are what we call a synapse. In the middle of neurons, there is a gap. That gap, there is an interchange of neurochemicals, electrical impulses. It has to be very, very effective. For us, we are now focusing on plasmalogen to promote good memory. So this is the reason why we have to keep our plasmalogen level at the right level. For example, it has been known that from age until age 40, we are having our plasmalogen level in a good, increasing in a good rate. But the moment we reach 70, the decline of the plasmalogen is very fast. That's why we need to supplement ourselves. Now, the benefits are these: efficient transmission of nerve signals, brain memory, preserving cognitive function, and neuronal health. Benefits also is to enhance antioxidant defense. Now, here is one thing that really is confusing everyone. Antioxidant, how they are similar also with free radicals and like that. So to simplify it, actually our body goes through a lot of biochemical action and processes. So all of these processes produces what we call oxidation. It's an aging process. So what do? We should make sure our body also have enough level of antioxidants. So if the aging or the oxidation is level, the antioxidant must be bigger or higher than that. So plasmalogen functions as antioxidants. Ano naman yung tinatawag nila na free radicals? Free radicals are like puzzle. They're supposed to be cleansed from our system. But free radicals, somehow, they were not able to dispose everything. Some parts are left behind, like the puzzle. So the one part that goes around our body, they are called free radicals. What does they do? They hijack our healthy cells. That's free radicals. So in order to fend off damage from free radicals, our plasmalogen functions levels must be healthy. So free radicals actually are connected to aging and several chronic illnesses. So another thing, to maximize both physical and cognitive performance, plasmalogens play a crucial role in stabilizing and enhancing impulses. That's what I was telling you. Synapse, impulses between neurons. Our brain actually is composed of more than 70 trillion neurons. What are these? Another thing why plasmalogen is being promoted: to prevent formation of beta amyloid plaques and tau in the brain. What are these? These are protein. They cause our brain to not efficiently communicate with each other because beta amyloid plaques are being formed. They cause actually plaques, and they cause also yung kukumpul-kumpul, pagtitigas, and then our neurons are not able to communicate with each other. Because our brain actually are a vast network of highway of information coming in, coming out. It's like really seconds, like lightning speed, milliseconds. The information really has to go through. For example, if you notice, the people who have degenerative disorder like the Alzheimer's disease, when you touch their forehead, they do not blink. When you push them, their action is really delayed. No, kasama na rin yan ang Parkinson's disease. So these amyloid plaques are actually reversely proportionate to our plasmalogen level. The higher the plasmalogen level, the lesser the level are of our beta amyloid and tau in the brain. Actually, in the US, they made plasmalogen level in the blood as indicator of people who might have the predisposed factor towards Alzheimer's disease. This is a healthy brain of someone with Alzheimer's disease. The right one is atrophied. We call it in medical atrophied or it shrink because of the plaques, no, because of the beta amyloid and the tau protein. Who can benefit from plasmalogen supplement? People older in age. So remember, 40 above, we need to supplement our plasmalogen. People with cognitive impairment, no, they are already existing dementia, we can still give them. People with CVS concern. Athletes, here's the thing, our cells, they will produce their own energy. When we have a healthy level of plasmalogen, there is efficient burning of fats or energy and glycogen. People with respiratory condition, that is because the lungs are also being helped by good level of plasmalogen. People with eye health concern, the retina, they need to be also the retina of the eyes, they should also have a healthy level of plasmalogen to function well. People seeking antioxidant support, so I already mentioned to you, our healthy cells sometimes are being hijacked by those free radicals. So krill is small, look like small shrimps, no? They're like planktons. They're on the lowest level of the form of the food chain. That's why they are considered clean. When you go to the moon and you look at the sea, the krill, so vast, so dami, you can see the krill. Sobrang dami nila. Sabi nga nila, if we combine all the weights of the people versus the weight of the krill in the oceans, they have higher weight and volume than the people. Sea squirt are called sea squirt because when you touch them, bumubugas sila ng tubig. They are also food in Japan and very rich in lipids. So, Atomy Plasma Alpha, PV 25,000, price 22. Let's give a round of applause to our first product. Our second product is Hong Sam Dan. Literally means red ginseng granules. So, it comes in 2 tubes with 30 packets each. But what are exactly the good thing in there? Ano bang meron dyan sa Hong Sam Dan na talagang nag-benefit ang mga health ng mga tao? So, aside from variation of ginseng, merong American ginseng, Panax, or Asian, or like that, they're also classified according to their color. So, ang fresh ginseng, below 3 years old, being grown, the red ginseng is the moment it is being steamed and dried, cycled 3 times, 1 to 2, 3 times. You can see the red is getting formed. That is actually the red, which is the ginsenoside. Can you say ginsenoside? Ready, go. Okay, those actually are the active ingredients of ginseng. So after naman ng 3 to 9 times steaming and drying, it becomes dark black. But actually, our Hong Sam Dan is Korean red ginseng. We have a lot of research, actually, research on postmenopausal women, research on fatigue management of people who are undergoing treatment, like cancer therapy, research on diabetes type 2, research on patients with fatigue, no? So marami tayong research dyan. And when you look at online, you can check it from the National Library of Medicine. Here's the thing. Meron na ba tayong narinig na tinatawag na adaptogen? Actually, it's a new word. Adapt came from the Greek word adapter, meaning to adjust, and gen means to generate. Why are these things or this herbal medicine or this herb or plants are called adaptogen? Because they could help our body to adapt to stress and to keep our body in homeostasis, the continual healthy level of our body. So do you know that we have two adaptogens, very famous globally in anatomy? First, we have Rhodiola rosea. So don't be surprised. One of the two top adaptogens being promoted globally are rhodiola and ginseng. So let's give our ginseng a round of applause. Now, this is a very simple chart just to show to you, antioxidant activity. You see the free radicals, the one that I was telling you that they always hijack our healthy cell, they can be helped by ginseng. You see, the damaged cell. Why the damaged cell? Because the free radical took some parts of the damaged cell to hijack it and use it. And then after that, what happens? It mutates. After that, it grows uncontrollably, and that is actually an example of cancer cells. So when we use ginseng, the free radicals are shielded. We are being shielded from free radicals. Now, the anti-inflammatory activity also of ginseng, the action is actually, it follows this path. You know, when our body goes through anti-inflammatory process, we thought it's bad. Actually, that is the initial action of our body when we are injured. There's inflammation, there's redness, there's pain, because the body is trying to repair itself from injury. But when the inflammation is chronic, lagi-lagi na siya, hindi na siya tumitigil, that is already oxidative stress. And it also will cause us to have chronic illnesses, and most of all, it will really increase our immune system will be weak because of the constant or chronic inflammation. Antimicrobial activity, yes, our ginseng has antimicrobial activity against virus and bacteria. Anti-cardiovascular disease, you know, our serum profile or lipid in the blood, they are also indicator, no? Some people, they are already born with genetically predisposed to stickiness, no? Mayroon tayong tinatawag na aggregation. Some people, they don't have that. But some people na meron yan, they are already given by their doctor. No? Meron silang aspirin, meron silang warfarin, and also anti-cardiovascular disease activity, nakikita natin sa ginseng na yung mga calcium channels are not being activated, no, because of ginseng. Anti-obesity. Some people, they want to take ginseng and next week payat na agad sila. Of course not, di ba? Ginseng is a long term, no? At saka, of course, when we want to lose weight, we don't expect the result right away. But according to research, yung tinatawag nating adipogenesis, no? Yung formation of new fat cells, they are being stopped or controlled by ginseng. Anti-CNS disorder effect, pareho lang din siya sa plasmalogen. Meron siyang tinatawag na neuroprotector and memory enhancer because we have to defeat neurodegenerative diseases. Ano po bang example ng mga neurodegenerative disease? Alzheimer's disease, we have Parkinson's, we also have those, marami pang iba, yeah. And then, enhancing energy and sexuality. Now, here's the good thing. You men, you are very interested with this. Erectile dysfunction can be helped with taking ginseng. And also, another interesting thing, people who cannot bear children because the spermatozoa is too slow to move towards the female egg, research says that there is kinematic values which is really become higher. The speed of the spermatozoa becomes higher. Although For postmenopausal women also, the ginseng also is a big help to them. So anti-cancer activity, you can see in the left, there is what we call capillary genesis. So we also call this angiogenesis. So remember, the cancer cells, they hijack, okay? They hijack our healthy cells. So in order for the tumor not to grow big, the ginseng can help. No, it can stop or slow down the angiogenesis or the formation of new capillary. Kasi hinahijack nila yan eh. Nagko-connect sila and then they take all the yung tinatawag nating mga nutrients, no, ang mga kinukuha ng cancer cells. So also in vitro, that is in the laboratory and in the dish, no, they can say that they have observed that. In vitro also, in living organisms, and also clinical trials, meron ding mga good result. So product features, ito, ano yung sinabi ko kanina? Ginsenosides. Our product has 20 milligrams ginsenosides, which are a sum of RG1, RB1, and RG3. Itong tatlong ito, actually, they are ginsenosides na classified, and then they have also different actions in our body. But overall, it can enhance immunity, support fatigue resistance, promote blood circulation, and improve memory function, and is effective as antioxidant. So here's the good thing. Some other ginseng only have 3 milligrams, no? But ours has 20 milligrams per gram, no? So if we are ideally given 3 milligrams, ours is better because we have 20 milligrams. So we also have this what we call patented, no? Our drying and our preparation are also patented. So conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, can ginseng help most of our ailments or complaints on our health? The answer is yes. Good. So Hong Sam-dan, let's give a round of applause to our Hong Sam-dan. Of course, we cannot be able to go through this without mentioning our favorite, the flagship product, Hemohim, no? Hemohim, from hematopoiesis, immunity modulation. That's the name. That's the level or the process until from the research from the Korea Atomic Energy until they are being distributed by Atomy. Those are the steps. Now, we are of course evidence-based. Hindi naman tayo pwedeng kain lang ng kain, take ng take, na wala naman tayong ebidensya dito. And Atomy is very good on that. All our products are evidence-based and backed by science and research. So we have a lot in the National Library of Medicine published about Hemohim on lung function. It could help, no? COPD, yung mga taong may history ng smoking, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, meron silang type 2 diabetes. Some people, they cannot even distinguish type 1 and type 2. To simplify it actually, type 2 diabetes, merong mga insulin na puproduce ang ating pancreas, but they are not enough. And sometimes the cells are not sensitive to the insulin enough. So do we understand that insulin is actually like the susi, no? If our cells, we need energy, the pancreas will release insulin. But for us to be able to enjoy those or enter the cell, the insulin is like the susi of the cells. They have to open it for us to be able, for the glycogen or the energy to be able to go inside our cells. But the sad thing is, some people, they don't produce enough, their pancreas don't produce enough insulin. So Hemohim would be able to help because Hemohim can modulate the pancreas in the production. At the same time, it will make our cells more sensitive to insulin. Now, these are the 35 number of theses written about Hemohim. And imagine, the most number comes from is for immune enhancement. You see, our immune system is our first line of defense. It is really important that it is in a very tip-top condition. There is also on skin health. Remember, autoimmune disease, psoriasis? Hemohim is also very good. Anti-inflammatory. Some people, they have digestive problem, always inflamed. Fatigue improvement, anti-cancer, of course. Gastric health, anti-diabetes, cognitive function. So, hindi lang pala si plasmalogen nakaka-help sa cognitive function, also si Hemohim, and of course, our Korean red ginseng, Hong Samdang. These are actually the immune cells, and Hemohim is able to help produce more natural killer cells to help us and avoid these viruses and bacteria. And also, another figure, what does it do? The natural killers, the T cells, they get inside the cancer cells and destroy them. Some cells, they also act differently. They have dendrites. They flow. Some also, they swallow whole. They are the macrophage. So many. And also, our Hemohim, do you know that it is product of 3 million national project by the Korean government? Do you know that it took 8 years of extensive research, 6 years of clinical trial? Do you know that it has 16 patents across multiple countries, including Korea, US, and Russia, and Europe? Do you know also that since its launch, it has already generated 2 trillion, equivalent to 200 million US dollars? Do you know that first time it was offered to the market, it was costing 770 US dollars. Imagine that. But now, how much? Only 5,100. So let's give a round of applause to Atomy. It took 42 Oriental medical ingredients, studied for a long time, and they have come up with the right ratio and proportion to really maximize its synergical effect. So those are the 3 ingredients. We are all familiar with that. And those are also the effect on our body. No? It has really helped Angelica, the angel on earth. So many benefits. And also Paeonia lactiflora, so many benefits also. And also this Zhuanggong rhizoma is also good for CVA and CVD. So finally, ladies and gentlemen, Hemohim is perfect for who? Athletes, housewives, office workers, students, elders. Now, let me share to you my member. She was one of our first member. She took Hemohim, and after 4 to 6 months, she was able to have these results. So her tumor was really helped. So thank God for Hemohim, and thank you for listening to me. Hemohim, once again, 5-1, 62,000 PV. And of course, let's give Hemohim a round of applause. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I wish you all good health. I wish you all success in your Atomy business from Davao Imperial Center, together with my husband and our one bus full of team from Davao. Maraming salamat po.